Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kashmira and I'm here with a brand new episode of Bottle Art. And in today's video, we are going to make something with this very simple bottle. For this DIY, you can take any bottle, literally any color, any shape bottle. The very first thing we are going to do on this bottle is we are going to paint it with white acrylic color. You can use any flat brush to paint it, and this is how it looks after 2 coats of white acrylic color. So now we are done with the base coat. Now we are going to apply this shade on the bottle. For this step I am going to use sponge. If you are not comfortable with sponge, then you can use any flat brush for this step also. Once you are done with the coloring part, let it dry at least for 6 to 8 hours, and then we are going to use this white multi-surface paint. You can see the shade name here and this brush. The brush is from Artificial Art, and see, this is quite different brush. This is not a normal round brush. So we are going to use this brush for the design part. And yes, today's video is first video of our 50k special giveaway series. I'm going to upload 5 videos for that. In case you don't know anything about the giveaway and about 50k special video, then don't worry, I will put the link in the description and in I button. Just check that video and you will get to know everything about the video and the giveaway and about new series and contests, so check that out. So here we are done with the leaves part, and you can just put the small dots in between those leaves. So again, let it dry at least for 2 to 3 hours, and then we are going to apply the varnish. This is the last step. I am using this matte varnish, Little Birdie Decor varnish. उसमें matte finish use कर रही हूँ मैं. And see, this is the final look of our today's DIY. Try this and share your creations with me on my Instagram profile. The link is in description box. And if you like this video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I will upload any video. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.